Top 10 things that sound dirty at the office but aren't.
10. I need to whip it out by 5.
9. Mind if I use your laptop?
8. Just stick it in my box.
7. If I have to lick one more, I'll gag.
6. I want it on my desk, now.
5. I think it's out of fluid.
4. My equipment is so old. It takes forever to finish.
3. It's an entry-level position.
2. When do you think you'll be getting off today?
And the number one thing that sounds dirty in the office but isn't.
1. It's not fair I do all the work while he just sits there.
So funny.